Hey guys, it's Michael from My Account Beans. The purpose of this playlist is to help you, the small business owner, do your own bookkeeping in Xero. If you like these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, today's video is about how we're going to create customer quotes in Xero. So let's dive straight in. Alright guys, first step is you want to go to the quotes section of Xero, which is under business and quotes. Alternatively, you can click over on invoices owed to you. Scroll down, click on See All. This will take you into the same section. So first step when we create a quote is click on New Quote. Then you want to type your customer details in. For example, ABC Furniture, the quote date, expiry, quote number or default, reference could be address like 14 Smith Street, if that's the job address you're doing. Then you can simply just write in what you're doing into here in the description, or a quick way to save time is to have an item set up. So for example, if we have on-site service call pre-fill, then that saves us writing all these details like description, quantity, price, the account, etc. And if you want to create one for the first time, just go up there and click Create New Item. We've already got one here saved, so we can go ahead. It's an on-site service call. We estimate 10 hours of work at $100 an hour, which is $1,000 plus GST. Okay guys, with your terms and conditions, you notice there's nothing here at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to set those up on your invoice settings. So click that down the bottom here. It's now going to take you to your invoice settings. Click on Options, Edit. See at the bottom there's no details here for quotes. So what you want to do is you want to put your basic details in there. So we'll just copy and paste what we have at the top. But that's where you'd probably put a full list of your terms and conditions. We suggest getting a lawyer to help you with that. Okay, now we're back at the quote, and you can see here we've got our terms and conditions have pulled across here. Obviously they're not the correct ones. You would get a solicitor to do up your full terms and conditions. But what we're going to do, that's just an example of how you put them on. So let's just say we're happy with this now. The next step is we want to click on either send, or we can click save and close if we want to send it from our own email. As you can see, this is the default email that pops up when you want to send a quote. If you want to change this email, all you do is just go to your email settings in Xero and adjust what's written here, and then that will change it. Alternatively, you can kick up top here and you can write something custom like that you want to. So that's how you do that. Just don't touch the hyperlinks here. Anything in brackets, leave that as it is. Then you just click send. Okay, let's now assume that they've accepted the quote. Usually in Xero, if they use the link, it'll change the status from draft to accepted. So what we're going to do, we're assuming it's been accepted. Come up here to these three dots, click copy to, invoice, and create a draft invoice. So now, instead of having to duplicate all the details we just did from the quote details can be converted directly into an invoice. So you can see here, this is what we've done. And then you can just click approve an email, and that will email this particular invoice off to the client. And here you have it guys. This is what the final invoice looks like that we'll be sending to the client, and then you would just click send email. So that's it guys, that's how you create a quote in Xero and then convert it into an invoice to send to your customers. We hope it's helpful. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this playlist. If your business is growing and you're finding it's too difficult to do your own bookkeeping, it's time to call an accountant. We'll leave our website and the link in the description below, and we'll have a chat and see if we can help you out.